Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change default search engine in Google Chrome. By default, Google Chrome is set to search via Google search engine. However, you may want to change this search engine to a different search engine. To do so, just open your Google browser and then go to the three dots here on the top right and click on them. From here, scroll down to settings and click on it. So you want to go and look for an option called search engines, which is here, and this is what we are interested in. Click on it to open. This will take you to these settings. Alternatively, to get to this page, from /settings and then /search. It is from here that we can change now our search engine, and currently, as you can see, Google is set to be the default search engine for this browser. If you want to change it, just click on change, and here you'll see a list of all the search engines that are available. For instance, we want to change it to Yahoo. Just go ahead and select the search engine you'll wish and then set as default. And that is it. Now, when we go to our browser, you can see the difference. When we search from Yahoo and not Google. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.